Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the process of how I got my hair back to this. Y'all, my light about to go out. Is it? It's about to go out. But yeah, there we go. So y'all, in this video, y'all just see me bleaching my hair. I had to get it back. I had to cut it, okay? And I was supposed to record this intro yesterday, but I forgot. So here we go. Let's get into it. Oh my god. Yo, I'm ready. I just woke up first of all. It's time to get this under control. We cutting and dyeing our hair today. I'm ready to change it. I cannot let this stuff grow out no more. It looks so ugly. Ew, look at it. It's just sitting on my head. Let me zoom in for y'all. Look at what we're working with. Ew. Like, this is so matted to my head because it's been growing out. Yeah, it's time to cut it. And I got my shirt inside out turned around because I don't want to mess up a logo because I'm about to bleach it. We also bleaching the brows, y'all. I gotta arch these puppies. Yeah, we got a lot to work with. I'm so excited to cut it. I've been letting it grow out for a little bit. I'm like a dude right now. I need to fix this. No, I'm a female. Let me get this under control. So I'm gonna cut this off camera, y'all. I look so tired. I would never. Look how thick it got. Like, when I could do that, that's a problem. So I'm gonna cut it off camera, okay, y'all? And then we just gonna jump right into it, okay? Okay, y'all. Now I feel so much better. Hair is cut, like cut low. We are ready to go. That I did not mean for that to rhyme. Let's start. I got my batch made. This is the Developer 30 in here with my bleach. And if you want to know, if you don't know, I go to my local hair store. I already greased my head. Make sure you're wearing an old shirt or turn it inside out so you don't bleach it. But yeah, I go to my local hair store, not Sally's. I go to a black hair store. Okay, that's just what it is. I'm not trying to be like, only black people go here, mostly. But yeah, it's just because they got everything I need there. And I think I'm gonna end up doing I'm gonna be doing 4 rounds, y'all. But I'm gonna leave this on for the first round on the longest for 50 minutes. Because I'm trying to get this as bright as possible. I'm excited to bleach my hair, y'all. I'm just not myself when my hair is not done. Y'all know that feeling. I don't be myself until my hair is done. Plus, I do have another video to record today. So yeah, it's time to get back to myself, get cute. With my classes, y'all, it's really like about that time. I graduate this weekend. Oh my God, this is like a lot. Okay, y'all, so I just got to washing it out and we are looking good. So I'm about to go and put some more grease on my head. Make sure y'all always put grease on your head again. I got the roots. They're not black no more. Y'all, I'm so happy that my hair is like getting back to normal. I'm just not myself without my hair done because I also got to record I'm watching some crime videos today. I think I'm going to do another hour video. I'm starting to actually watch like full cases and trying to see if I can see who it is. And this is also another 30. I'm doing 2 30s and 2 20s after this. But yeah, I'll be trying to see if I can like also catch the killer. Because just because it's in the title don't mean that's like it's actually them. My mom actually gave me some new cases to look at. I'm about to do some even more deeper dives, my own research into some cases, y'all. I really love crime. I love talking about it. I love watching it. It just show you like it's a lot of senseless murders, y'all, that's like going on. So this is kind of like a video of me prepping to get ready for my next video. I'm gonna let this sit on for 40 minutes. So as I go like longer, I get like I shorten the time, y'all. Okay, so I washed it out, y'all. I let my hair sit for like 30 minutes because, y'all, I was scratching it like crazy. And while I was doing that, I went on and made my next batch, which is a little too thick, so I'm going to add a little more. This is the 20 Developer. And I got enough in here for 2 rounds. Most likely 3, but I'm only doing 2 because it's like I got all the blackout. Now this is going to make it lighter. Always go darker and then lighter. So if you're using like, I never use the 50 or like 40 Developer, okay? I always use 10, 20, and 30. Actually, I haven't used 10 in a while because 20 and 30 work for me. So let's start. Also, I made sure I grease my head again. I'm gonna do my eyebrows on the last round. But yeah, I used to use 10, but 20 and 30 work fine. I actually seen a video of this girl doing it. And I was like, okay, this looked like it gets, her hair was platinum. And I was like, oh, okay, this actually like it works better. So I'm just do the 20 and 30. And ever since, y'all, I've been doing it. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm feeling like myself again. I can't wait to do my makeup in a minute. and get it together, record some more videos. Yeah, it's something about like women and their hair. You have to have, like, when your hair's not done, you're just not in the mood to do anything. You don't feel like yourself. And I love having my hair done. And it's so weird also, y'all, since I'm out of school. Well, I just got graduation. I finished my exams. So I know I passed one of my classes. I'm really just curious about what I got on my last class, because I had a B in there. And it is finance, and we calculate like crazy. So, curious about that. It's like, it's crazy. I've been in school for like forever. And now I gotta rely on like actually getting a job, focusing on getting a career, growing my channel, just doing everything. It's weird. Okay, y'all, so I just got through washing it out. This is my last round. I'll let this last one sit on for 30 minutes. Oh, I'm back to myself. It feels so good. I'm also tired for coming up the stairs. So yeah, I'm going to use the rest of this stuff. Toward the last, I always say this, toward the end of it, I'm going to, the last 10-minute mark, I'll do my brows. And just make sure I do those. So yeah. Oh, my hair, y'all. I'm so happy. Oh my God. And I'm not, you know, wish I had a blonde wig for graduation. But to be honest, I'm just ready to walk across the stage. Ready to walk across the stage and get it over with. My sister will not be making it. I'm a little sad, but it's okay. I was just excited to see her. I have all my family there. I'm just excited to walk and get it over with. Because it's like, it's been a time, it's been a while. Okay, it's been a while. I've been in school forever. And I'm excited. I'm gonna finish my cap with my sister tomorrow. I'll probably do the words tonight myself. So yeah, I'm gonna wash this out after 30 minutes, y'all, and y'all will see the end. Well, y'all seen it at the beginning. But yeah. Okay, y'all, so I just got to washing it out, and this is it. I also bleached my brows. So yeah, we're done. Oh my God, my hair feels so good. It's actually 3 o'clock right now. It's 3:35. It took like it was a 3-hour process, but it needed to happen. I feel so much better. Y'all saw how I looked at the beginning with all this together. So I have more videos to go record. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.